Good day and welcome to this video lectures about algebra. In this video lecture, I will discuss how to solve tricky work-related word problems. So let's start. In this video, we will be going to solve work-related word problems. Usually, some work problems involves only one number of job, but this time we will solve work problems with multiple jobs. Here is our problem number one. Ben can paint the smooth wall in 40 minutes, while Peter can paint the same wall in 60 minutes. How long will it take for them to paint the three walls together with same size the wall they paint alone? Before we solve the problem, let me discuss first the concept on how to solve this type of word problem. In this type of word problems, it has a template to use for the solution, and it is like this. It is an equation which is composed of fractions on both sides. Now let me explain each part of these equations. The first box is the time it takes for person A. The second box is the time it takes for person B. And the third box is the time it takes for them together. In the problem, we have two persons involved. So the number of fractions in the left side must be also 2. Let's say if the problem will involve three persons, the number of fractions in the left side must be 3 also. Notice the numerator are all the same. It has all number 1 in the numerator. So what does it mean? It means that each person has one job to do, and even if they do the work together, they also do the same number of jobs. So the numerator will indicate the number of jobs. Now how about if they do multiple number of jobs, like what it indicated in our problem? In that case, the template will look like this. The template is the same, but the numerator was changed to 3. Now let's fill up the box. Let's call the time for Ben to finish the job alone as TB, for Peter as TP, and we call the time to finish the job together as TBP. Now let's solve the problem. The time of Ben to finish the job alone is 40 minutes, and for Peter is 60 minutes. Now for the meantime, let's call TBP as variable x. To solve for x, we will get the least common multiple, or we call it LCM, and then multiply it on both sides of the equation. The LCM is 120x. After multiplying, the equation will become 3x plus 2x equal 360. Then 5x equal 360. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 360 divided by 5, which is equal to 72. So the times it takes for Ben and Peter to finish the multiple jobs if they work together is 72 minutes. To check if your answer is correct, just plug in the value of x to the equation and be sure that the value you get in the left side is equal to the value you get in the right side. Let's solve another problem. Here is our problem. John, Peter, and Ben can finish painting the wall in 2 hours. If John does the job alone, he can finish it in 5 hours. Peter will complete the job alone with double the time of Ben. How long will it take for Ben to finish the job alone. The equations for the solutions will look like this. Since we have 3 persons involved, the number of fractions in the left side is 3. Now let's solve the problem. The time of John to finish the job alone is 5 hours. For Peter's time, it is double the time of Ben. So the time of Peter is dependent on the time of Ben. Now the question is how long for Ben to finish the job alone. So we will call the time for Ben as variable x. Since Peter's time is double the time of Ben, so Peter's time will be 2x. Now if John, Peter, and Ben work together, they will finish the job in 2 hours. To solve for x, we will get the least common multiple, or we call it LCM, and then multiply it on both sides of the equation. The LCM is 10x. After multiplying, the equation will become 2x plus 5 plus 10 equal 5x. Then add the common term, we get 3x is equal to 15. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 5. So the time it takes for Ben to finish the job alone is 5 hours. Therefore, the time of Peter to finish the job alone is 10 hours, which is double the time of Ben. So to check if your answer is correct, just plug in the value of x to the equation and be sure that the value you get in the left side is equal to the value you get in the right side. Thank you.